Hello guys, I bring another video on financial markets again. We are going to use two indicators. Alright? First, let's go to the time frame. You're going to classic candles, 15 seconds frame, that is used for us. Let's go to the settings right now. Okay? So we're gonna use moving average with that 20 on period EMA. Colors up to you, don't forget about that. And Shaff trend cycle again. 23, 50, 10, 3, 3. All right, guys, it's necessary to change the main line to 80, 20. So don't forget it. That's very important to use on the strategy. Let's increase that to 2 on thickness for all the lines. And that's good, guys. $27 with that. 1 minute. And let's go with this, right? So the first one, guys, look at that. That is so good. We got this, the first one. You see the trend of movement, that's the main one, but not to be trend. The price is rising very strongly here. And you see the price is starting to fall back. The shaft remains at the bottom while the price is falling. You can see that's very quickly. Then I also starting to find areas here where the price generates support. The prices rise that. Okay. Look for a trend and wait for the chat to cross the boards and the price of the candles surpasses above the 20 period exponential average. That's how simple its strategy works. Alright. So let's wait for that 10 seconds remaining to see how this first entry is out. But for now, that's very good. I really think that we're gonna win on this one. Alright. So that's pretty good. And look at this, guys. Have the first correction prediction right here. I quickly look for the first entry and match the criteria. Remember, if you don't have box option, guys, the link in the description, not in the video description. All right, you can click it there to register that. So let's look for the trends, guys. The second one to give them an entry. Let's try to then find the next. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright, so we got a good one on the CAD-JPY to see this again. Look at the Shaff trend cycle. We can do that. Alright, and let's go. Okay, that's good, guys. Alright, well, the main trend is upward. And hard to see the pullback is trying to get a revert. So let's enjoy this. Alright. That is not so strong. The price may continue to rise. It's close to the average in a minute. When you just change that to 15-second time frame, you can see this happening here. Alright. When I go into enter this job, that gives me the better entry point and then can make a difference. I don't know. But let's wait. I had to wait for a strong candle because it's looked like it's going to lose. Well, let's wait for the last 20 seconds. Okay, I mean that goes wrong. The video would be in there, but sometimes it's better to wait because sometimes you can make mistakes when you enter. 7, 5, all right. Let's see that, and that's respecting, man. We got those again, $92 in the total in my account. That's so good, guys. All right. So right here, first criterion. I'll explain it again. Let's see it as soon as their support, very good. That would be very good for me to enter, right? Second, shaft is showing me that the upward. Look that, just passing through the 20 line. This is perfect. And the third would be average, the candle passing the average. Of course, I have to mark resistance nearby. If the price didn't pass here at 15 seconds, then the price would fall and could lose the entry. But it was the market trend, guys. That's bullish.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Look at that. Okay? No reason for this one to get a revert right now, but I need to wait. All right. Okay. We got this again. Look at that. That's another win, guys. 188 of profit. That's so good. 27 to 188 with that strategy. The idea is that you mark the areas we would expect it. Wait for confirmation for both indicators, and then you enter with your trend. If you enter here, you may lose it with 3 or 4 rejections. You might say, well, I might risk going down because it's already rejected several times, but it's a risk to take. So I invite you to like the video, guys. Share this video with your friends, leave your point in the comments, and let's see what you think. Also, invite you to watch the daily live sessions, guys. Just come with me, all right? Wish you good operations, good session, have a good one. Bye-bye.